What is that mysterious clicking noise? Not over here, not over there. Kinda catchy. Vote, vote, vote Porter, vote, 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 vote Porter, vote.
Housing
vote,
talks.
Vote, vote Porter, vote.
Housing
vote,
talks.
Vote, vote Porter, vote.
Housing
vote,
talks. Drink.
Vote,
Drink.
vote Porter,
Drink
vote.
sensibly. Housing
vote,
talks. Drink.
Vote,
Drink.
vote Porter,
Drink
vote.
sensibly. Housing
vote,
talks. Drink.
vote,
Family.
Drink.
Vote Porter,
Drink
vote.
sensibly.
Housing
Housing
vote,
talks. Drink.
Family.
Drink.
Vote Porter,
Academic
vote.
family.
Housing
Vote.
talks.
Hannah Potter.
Drink.
Hannah
Family.
Potter.
Drink.
Ooh, Hannah Potter. Hannah Potter.
Housing
Yeah,
talks.
Hannah Potter.
Drink.
Hannah Potter.
Drink.
Ooh,
Vote.
Hannah Potter.
Drink.
Hannah Potter. That's me.
Vote.
Hannah.
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 Housing talks.
Academic family.
Vote.
Hannah
Drink.
Potter.
Drink.
I'm
Drink.
Hannah
Sensible.
Potter.
Housing talks.
Vote.
Hannah
Drink.
family.
Drink.
Hannah
Drink.
family.
Sensibly.
Sing our song all day long at Exeter.
I found the source of the clicking. It's students going online to vote.
Yay!
Ooh-ha-ha. Now you've heard her policies, vote Porter, go online now.
I got the magic in me. Every time I touch that